Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you how to enable OneDrive backup on this laptop. So first open the Start menu and go to Settings, then select Accounts section in your settings and scroll down to Windows Backup option. Click here and then to set up syncing with OneDrive, click Setup Syncing next to OneDrive Folder Syncing option, and then, if required, then log into your Microsoft account. And once you log into there, then select the folders on your computer that you want to synchronize with OneDrive. Select Save Changes, and your PC will start syncing these folders. If you close the settings window and open the same settings window again, so go to Accounts, Windows Backup, you'll see that your OneDrive is now syncing. Now, right here in Manage Sync settings, if you don't have enough storage, you can get more storage by clicking right here and buying a new plan for your OneDrive syncing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.